Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something other than the body kit. Drop. Playing fetch with my dogs. Drop. And today we are going to actually be fixing a big problem of mine. Oops. I have, when I got new wheels, they are so far in my car, so we're actually going to be putting wheel spacers on my car today. Hopefully all those bad things I've heard about wheel spacers aren't true, and I put them on correctly. Hopefully everything goes okay. I got 1 inch for the front and 1.5 inch for the back, so we'll see how it goes. And I'll just play fetch with my dogs for a little bit, and then I'll catch you guys there. All right, let's get this open with one hand. Baller status. These are the 1.5 inch ones that are going to go in the back, because I've had the 1 inch ones. I just needed these ones. I just haven't ordered them yet, and I finally did, so now we got them. There we are. We are hub-centric adapter. Better not be adapters. Alrighty, here we are. These things are massive. I'm kind of nervous about putting these on my car, but also it says 1.5 billet aluminum hub-centric wheel spacers, so I think we're good with that. I got these off American Muscle, so they should be perfect for my Mustang, because American Muscle is just like Mustang Challengers, and I think it's F-150s or something. They look kind of scuffed up, but I don't really care because they're going to be in my wheel, or my rim, or my rotor, so I'm not really even going to see them. But we're going to torque it down to 100 foot-pounds, which is what the spec is for my car, and then we're going to come back a week later. I'm not going to record it or anything, but we'll come back a week later and see if they're the same torque spec, as in to see if they're still 100 foot-pounds tight, and if they are, then lit, and if they're not, then we're getting rid of them. I ain't trying to lose a wheel and, you know, like crash and die or kill somebody, so let's get to it. Alrighty, here's the Mustang. As you can see, that has got to go. Look at these are terrible. Oh my gosh, dude, look at that. That is awful. Hopefully this will fix it and not make it look like crap. Why am I always screwing everything up? I just realized I forgot to bring home something to break off the lug nuts. So I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow. For you guys, it's going to be a couple seconds, but I have to wait a whole day, so that sucks. Alright, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, it is the next day, and I am finally in some relaxed clothing. Took a shower after work, got off work early, so we are ready to get this show on the road. Got the car in the garage today because I'm home early, so my parents aren't going to be home for a little while, and I got some room and there's some shade in here, so let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and start by loosening the lugs on both these wheels. I'm going to start on this side, and then we'll go ahead and jack up the car and take off the wheels and go from there. Alright, now that we got all the bolts loose with the breaker bar, let's go ahead and jack up the car and then take off the wheels, and we'll go to the next step. Wheel spacers time. I got off both the wheels, and before we put those on, I'm going to go ahead and take a wire brush and scrub the outside of this, just and a little bit in here, just so this has a proper connection point. That sounds really retarded, but I think you know what I mean. Just so it gets held on a lot better and not like a rust layer in between it and the rotor. Alright guys, so I went ahead and scrubbed both rotors. And then I just got some literally Dawn dish soap and just hot water and just cleaned off all the rest of the particles on it. It's not perfect, there's still a lot of rust on it, don't get me wrong, but I'm not gonna be able to get it free. I also scrubbed the studs a little bit so it has a better grip on those as well. So now it's time for the wheel spacers. We got 1 inch for the front, 1.5 for the back, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, so this is the front. We went ahead and got them on there. I had to hammer it in lightly a little bit because I was having trouble getting around the rust like I was talking about. So hopefully these won't be a you-know-what to take off. And I'm thinking they might be with all that rust formation. So, man, maybe I should clean it off a little better. I think I'm going to try to clean them off a little better, get them back on, and then we'll get to it. Alright guys, we went ahead and got them hand tight. So now we're just going to tighten it with this, and then after this we're going to use a torque wrench. I'm going to go to 100 foot-pounds. I'm just going to go a little bit at a time for in a star shape. Make sure you do that. Okay, it's starting to turn. Once it starts to turn, just like that, all you got to do, stick a screwdriver right here into the fin of the rotor, and that will stop it from this caliper bracket will stop it from rotating, but I'm not going to do that yet. I just want to get these all equal, and then we'll start torquing them down. Boys and girls, we got my masterpiece right here, set to 100 foot-pounds, which is what we need, and we'll go ahead and torque down each individual stud, and then put on the wheel and do the same. Just want to go ahead and show you this. I got them all roughly to around 50 foot-pounds. I just want to show you what this looks like. So, fill focus. Okay, that one was not even close to 50. Now we're gonna go to 100. And boom. There we go. 103. Just what we like to see. Well, 100.3. I'm gonna do the rest and I'll catch you guys after that. So, alright guys, it is on. Fully torqued down, 100 foot-pounds each stud. Now it is time to put on the wheel. And if you guys are wondering, normally, if these are sticking out past your wheel spacer, you're gonna wanna either cut these or get new studs that are shorter, because if you try to put your rim on this, it's obviously not gonna go up to the edge, and your tire, like your wheel will fall off when you drive. But I'm okay because my wheels have little indents in between for those to go in, so we're perfect with that. So we're gonna go ahead and do the backside, and then we will slap on the wheels and see. We'll check it out. Alright guys, well, we got them both on. You can't really see, but well, you can kind of see. Time to slap on the tires and we'll see how this looks. I only got the one side going right now, so it's gonna be kind of funny. I'll show you guys from the back and then from the front, and then you'll see the right side's gonna be way in, the left side's gonna be out, so it'll be kind of funny. But let's go ahead and do this. After I do this, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the right side and not show anything, and because otherwise this video would be pretty long, and then we'll just do an after for the entire video after I get the other side done. So let's get to it. Alrighty, that side is done, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the right side first and then the left side to see how much of a difference it makes. So here you are. This is with the spacers. No, I'm totally joking. This is without the spacers. Look at this gap. Gosh, it's atrocious. And then this one up here is not that bad, but ignore that. And this is with the spacers. Boom. So much better. Not quite flush. There's about another inch, but I don't care. This one up here, oh, low battery, a lot more flush. Still not quite flush, but oh my gosh, so much better, dude. Look at that, you can't even see that back wheel. And then, oh wow, it's there. Look at the backside though. Look at how weird this looks. It looks like the whole axle is just shifted. Look at that. This side's way out here and this side's way in. Isn't that funny? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do both sides and finish up this video. Alright guys, we are finished. I am so nasty, I'm gonna have to take another shower, but whatever. So, it's looking way better. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with the results. I'm gonna go ahead and drive it. I'm not going to record any of this or anything, but hopefully it's not vibrating at all. I'm going to clean up all my stuff and go drive it and go test drive it and see how it's holding up. Also, I don't know if those front wheels will scrape, so hopefully not. Hopefully not. But let me go ahead and show you the final results. All right. Here you are. If you're wondering why this side looks way more, it's because this is bent in. That's not my axle being out of whack or anything, but it looks a lot more than this side. That's why I need a new back bumper. But there you are. You can actually see the tire now. You can actually see the tire, no way. Alright, so that is going to go ahead and wrap it up for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, please leave a like. Also, comment down below what you think, and subscribe for more. I'm going to be continuing the body kit project, and whatever other work needs to be done to this Mustang. I got a hood latch for it because the part that you pull to open up the hood inside the car is broken. So I'm going to be doing that. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see that. It might be a little boring, but, you know, just some more tips if you guys ever need to do that. So, or if it's interesting to watch and you don't even have a Mustang. You never know. So, anyways, have a great day, guys. Peace out. Stay safe. Stay awesome. See you in the next video.